Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight on your iPad. First, you will want to download the free Dead by Daylight mobile application directly from the App Store. Before you begin, make sure your iPad meets the game's minimum system requirements to ensure the best possible experience. Also, a strong and stable internet connection is absolutely essential for smooth online multiplayer matches and to avoid any frustrating lag. Dead by Daylight Mobile offers intuitive touch controls, allowing you to easily move your character, perform actions, and rotate the camera with simple gestures. You can personalize your control layout within the game's settings to perfectly match your preferred playstyle. For those seeking even greater precision and comfort, connecting a compatible Bluetooth controller to your iPad is a fantastic option that many players enjoy. The core gameplay revolves around two distinct roles. As a survivor, your primary goal is to repair 5 generators scattered across the map and then escape through the opened exit gates. Conversely, if you play as the killer, your objective is to hunt down and sacrifice all 4 survivors to the entity. Mastering each character's unique perks and abilities is key to gaining a significant advantage in every trial. To truly excel, I recommend practicing in custom games to become familiar with the various maps and character abilities. Effective communication with your teammates is vital, so utilize the in-game quick chat options to coordinate strategies. Finally, always keep an eye out for game updates. These often bring exciting new content, balance changes, and crucial performance improvements that enhance your overall Dead by Daylight experience on iPad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.